Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with another nail tutorial for you all. I did a poll on Instagram and the majority of you guys decided you wanted to see a nail tutorial. So that is what I have for you today. Here I'm just showing you the company that sent me this gel polish, and they are within the same company of Pine, which I have shown before. I don't really know how to pronounce this name, but these polishes were outstanding. The usual, I absolutely love them. They're super pigmented. For this particular nail tutorial, I only did one coat of the blue that I decided to use, and I just decided to do 2 of the glittery one, but they're so pigmented and they glide like butter. They're such great quality. They are environmentally friendly. They're absolutely amazing polishes. So this kit includes 21 polishes along with a base coat, top coat, and a matte top coat, which is a plus. And by the way, I will have a coupon code for you guys to save 50% off your purchase, and this only applies to the 21 color gel polish kits, which is outstanding in my opinion. So here I'm just going to do some swatching for you all very quickly. Not swatching, but just showing you the colors. I won't be swatching in today's tutorial because it is a lot of colors and I just want to get straight into the tutorial. I hope you all enjoy, and thank you guys so much for tuning in. So here I'm just going to be sizing my nails that I will be using for today's tutorial, and I am using the AliExpress Gel X nails, and these are absolutely stunning. I always recommend them. And in this tutorial I will be using a nail stand, and I definitely recommend these nail stands that are just one hole put together. They are just so much easier to work with in my opinion as opposed to the other ones. I absolutely love them. So here I am just grabbing a buffer and I'm buffing out all the nails, and then I'm going back and buffing out the cuticle area of each and every one of these nails with the rougher side of the buffer, just to make them more plush when I apply them onto my nails, for them to give it more of like a natural look. So now I'm just grabbing my duster and just dusting off all the excess dust from the buffing. Next, I'm going to be applying the base coat that this gel polish kit included, and I'm just going to apply it to all the nails and then cure it under the UV lamp for 60 seconds. Now I'm going in with color P121, and it's this beautiful royal blue that I absolutely loved. And I'm just gonna start painting all the nails, and I literally just did one coat because it was that pigmented that I did not have to go in with another coat whatsoever. So after I am done painting the nails, I'm just gonna go and place these nails under the UV lamp for another 60 seconds. So next I'm going to be applying some Beetles foil glue, which is my absolute favorite that I did purchase through Amazon, and I will be applying it to the nails of my choice. And after, I'm going to be going in under the UV lamp and curing them for 60 seconds, and after applying the foils. So here I'm just starting to apply the foils to my liking, and I'm just going to go in and rub them in very well and securely. I also use a silicone pencil that does help as well. You guys will see here. So that is what I'm doing. It's very simple. With foils, it did take me some time. To this day, I'm still trying, my best to do better transfers every single time. But like I said, everything is trial and error and also practice. But I really, really love the way that they came out. So these are what the nails are looking like so far. They look super cute. And now I'm going to be going in with some hoops, and I did show this on previous hauls. These are just different colored hoops that you can place a charm in and place them on the nail. I will be showing you the little miniature drill that I use to drill in the hole on the nails and the whole process. So I hope you guys are enjoying this tutorial so far. What I love about creating content is the fact that I always come in with a blank mind. I just love to see the final result of what I've created in my head. So I think it's really fun. So yeah guys, here I'm just cutting this a bit because it's a bit big, so I'm just cutting it off a little bit. And now I'm going to go in with this drill and start drilling the nail. And I love with this that you can make the hole bigger if it doesn't fit. So that is what I'm doing here. And I did purchase these hoops and a little drill through AliExpress. I have shown it in previous nail hauls. So here I'm just inserting everything and just composing it all together, and I absolutely love the way that it turned out. I think it's super cute, and I love this little accent of a dangling charm. I think it's really, really cute. Now I'm going to be going in with a matte top coat for all the nails except for the glittery nails. That will be a shiny top coat, so that is what I will be doing here. Lastly, we're going to be going in with some cuticle oil, and I absolutely love this cuticle oil. I did purchase it through Amazon. Thank you guys so much for watching. We're now coming to the end of this nail tutorial. Let me know what you guys thought down below, and thank you guys so much once again for all the love and support. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Till next time.